adding Bluetooth to factory GM radio. This is a video showing you how you can add Bluetooth to the GM factory radio. So first we turn on the radio. Set the radio to 87.9. You can see now the radio is set to 87.9. Now all you got to do is plug in my device into the cigarette lighter for power. And listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Chevrolet cargo van factory radio. Let me show you again. Let me do it again. So set the radio to 87.9 right here. Plug in my device and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio. Now all you have to do is press a button to play the music. You can use the controller to go forward.
See, this world has two kinds of people.
And when the phone call comes in, just simply press this button. You'll be able to receive all your phone calls loud and clear without static. Then once you're done, just simply push this button again, and you'll go back to the music. Your music will be loud, clear, without hissing or static. Simply connect my device onto the car radio, then you're ready to listen to. You're ready to listen to all your music, podcast, news, radio, even Sirius radio, even YouTube. You'll be able to listen to all your music through this radio while you're at work. And also, you'll be able to talk hands-free, and you'll also be able to integrate a GPS function. So when you are at work driving this van and you're lost, you can use your phone as a GPS device, and you'll be able to hear all your GPS instruction coming through your car speakers loud. You may be wondering, well, it's easy to connect, but how does it sound? How does Gizmo Guy Gadget sound in real life, the stereo? Well, I am showing you now, so listen. We have this on 87.9, and you can hear the music, okay? I choose the music because you can hear the bass is solid and the pitch is high. The sound quality is CD. It's CD sound quality, unlike anything else you have elsewhere, okay? Those other ones do not work. This one will work. Not only that, you will sound crystal clear and static free, and you'll sound just like your CD. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have installed, repaired, and messed with thousands of car stereo. So I know a thing or two about car stereo. So please take my advice, and I guarantee you will not regret it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.